This morning, y'all, we're making biscuits. Come on, and I'm going to show you this quick little recipe to make these little tiny biscuits. We're going to have butter biscuits and cheese biscuits. We're going to measure out 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Now I have to use my half a cup right here to get it down in my jar, but we're going to be doing 2 cups. Okay. And now, since this is all-purpose flour, you will need to add you some baking powder. To 2 cups of all-purpose flour, I'm going to add 1 heaping teaspoon of baking powder. Let me turn y'all down here where you can see. And then we're just going to put our salt in our hand. And you'll want about a fourth of a teaspoon. And after you add your heaping teaspoon of baking powder and your around a fourth a teaspoon of salt, you're just going to give that a mix. And then I'm going to make sure, instead of sifting my flour, I'm just going to mix it and break up those pieces with my hand. And now we're going to measure out a couple tablespoons of our white lard. Now you can use Crisco for this. You could use any kind of like fat that you have. But I just assume to use that old-fashioned lard. And a lot of people's going back to using the old-fashioned type oils and lards. And you just want to take that and crumble that lard up in that flour till it's almost like pea sizes, and you don't really see it that much no more. And now while we're doing this, we have our skillet in our oven on 400, heating up. And now that we've got all that crumbled up into like pea size, we're going to add 1 cup of milk, and probably have to add a little more, but we're going to start off with 1 cup of whole milk. Okay, and what you're trying to do is you're just trying to work all that dry flour into your dough. Okay, I'm going to add probably about another half a cup of milk. Not quite. And see how that gets us. And I usually do biscuits with my hands, and I'm going to put my hand in it in just a minute when I start making my biscuits. But to get all this dough, I'm just trying to show y'all this exact recipe to use. And I want to use every bit of my ingredients. So I don't want any sticking to my hands right now. Okay, we're going to get this off our spoon. Now working it like that with a spoon, you can see I've got every bit of my flour off of that bowl. Okay, we're going to get our skillet out of the oven. And you can see I've had it in there preheating. So now we're just going to add a tiny bit of lard to the bottom of that iron skillet and work it around. Just going to roll it out with our hands. And I want to make these tiny because Travis wants some just like his grandma Agnes used to make. Okay, I'm going to put the first one right there, then I'm going to take my fingers and just give it that little finger print. Dust my hands before I pick up this second one, because that dough is a little sticky. But those measurements right there for a pan of biscuits work out great. Just going to roll that dough up like it, and you're almost making it like a yeast roll. You're sort of like shaping it to the palm of your hand. And then when you get it into the little round ball, smash it down. I don't want them big. I'm trying to keep them small. But you just shape it to the palm of your hand, and that'll make it round. Then you just take that little biscuit and put it down in there and give it a little mash on the top. That's your signature you're giving your bread. I can tell just by the shape of this one it's a little bigger. And if you'd rather take this and put it on the counter and roll it out, you can do that. Okay, now we got all our biscuits done, and this is the only flour that we're wasting. We didn't have any left over in our bowl with that recipe, and just a tiny bit where we rolled our biscuits out. Now, we're going to put our signature back in each one of these. Push our little fingers down. And you can tell from where that skillet was hot, they're already getting soft on the bottom. So now we're going to put these in the oven, and we're going to bake these little bitty biscuits for around probably 12 to 15 minutes. And I've got it on 400. Now we're going to get our mess cleaned up, and I'll show you what they look like when we take them out of the oven. Biscuits are getting done. We're going to take a little butter and rub on the top. of each biscuit. And now we're going to put them back in there for about 3 or 4 more minutes. Okay, now while they're hot, we're going to put some butter in a couple of them and some cheese in them. Now that's a lot smaller than what I usually make, but it's still not quite as small as his granny always made. We're going to cut them and see if we can get them cut. Ooh, look at that steam. And now for that one, we're going to take a big dollop of butter. You can use salted or unsalted. And we're just going to put that in there. Get us another little piece for this side. Now if y'all ain't never had a butter biscuit, y'all need to give it a try. Put that top back on there and we're going to let that butter just melt down in that biscuit. We're going to get this one cut. Now, I wished I had the hoop cheese, but we don't have that. But I do have this sliced sharp cheddar. I can get me a piece out. So now we're just going to take this cheese and we're going to put the whole piece in one biscuit. Put that top on that and let it melt. And now if your kids like this kind of cheese, just this old-fashioned cheese you can get, but make sure you get the real stuff. We're going to open up one of these. And yep, I'm going to do the whole slice on one biscuit. We're going to put the top on that one, and we're going to let that cheese melt while these are hot. And yeah, I made a mess, but that's what I do in the kitchen. I'll just have to clean it up. Y'all know it's good when you make a mess. Right here we have 3 different kinds of biscuits. We've got a butter biscuit, a cheddar cheese biscuit, and a regular old-fashioned sliced cheese. I hope y'all like these. I hope you give this recipe a try. Makes the perfect amount of biscuits. Look at that cheese already melting. And let's look at that butter. Ooh, look at that butter biscuit, y'all. It's gonna be good. I hope y'all like this video, and if you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.